Hello guys, so we arrived International Backpackers Hotel. That's where I'm staying at. It's my second day. I arrived yesterday and it was a chaos because it was raining really bad and I did not feel well because I've been sick these days, and yesterday I was traveling and that's why my sickness now really pops out again, and it just made everything worse. And of course this coronavirus thing that made me anxious that I have to immediately book a flight back to my country by the end of March. Basically worrying, so much worrying and trapped on that negative energy so bad yesterday. And today's weather is nice now. You can see the surrounding. I'm in Aroa district. Anyway, I'm going to the Aroa beach. See you guys there. This place looks ancient. Look at the tree. How huge the trees are. And look at the beach side. It's beautiful. Okay, it's so windy. Although it looks real nice with the sun. But you can hear the wave of the sea. It's so huge. So I'm just gonna keep walking south, or just keep walking here. See, the sand is not as fine as the Aitukati. The sand over there is amazing. It's really like powdered white. Hey guys, so right now I'm at the no-name beach side. I just keep walking along the shore where I came from. So I arrived to this nice beach side. It's not so much windy, but at least there's some people swimming down here, so I don't feel so isolated. Okay, and I met two backpackers from my hostel. They say they are all the way swim all the way, snorkeling and to see some amazing stuff. So I am so excited to get down to the water to see stuff down there. diving snorkeling experience is pretty nice. As I swim up there, I got to see a lot of stuff, really a lot of stuff, in a really shallow area, probably only about 1 to 2 meters only. And first, when I swim up here, I don't feel like there's anything, and the wave is a little bit strong and it's a little closer to shore area. But as soon as you get out further enough to those more blue turquoise area of water, as I started to see more different kind of species, and they come in pack or they swim alone, the big one and small one. Very interesting. I can stay there for long. The only thing, it's a bit far, a little bit swim out there from the shore though, and the wind and the current is a little bit strong. It goes this way, so the better way is when you always go onto the water and you want to swim easily, you go along the current. So you go from where the current started and you will go all the way around and come back out. So that's actually pretty easy. It's just people without like a lot of snorkeling experience will be kind of afraid of worry, but there's nothing to worry about. It's pretty much safe there because it's really shallow. It's like 1 or 2 meters only.